China has overtaken the US as India's largest trading partner once again. The total two-way commerce between India and China has come in at $118.4 billion as per data from economic think tank GTRI. Now, India's exports to China rose by 8.7% to $16.67 billion, while imports increased by barely 3.24% to $101.7 billion. US came in very close second, with bilateral trade between India and US coming in at $118.3 billion in 23-24. China has pipped US to become the biggest trading partner with India once again. Look at the number, very, very small difference of 0.1% there.
So actually, the headline really was last year when US had overtaken China to become India's largest trading partner at about two consecutive years. So at about 129, almost 130 billion dollars, the mammoth size and the delta between US and China reaching about 30 billion dollars or so was really the headline. This time around, what we've seen is trade with US decline, primarily on the back of India's exports, IT exports to US not growing at the same clip as one would have liked them to grow, and at the same time imports coming in from China. So that difference between what China was trading with India and what US was trading in India, working in favor of US, has now reversed, albeit just 0.1, just a decimal point difference. But the fact is that China has once again reached as India's top trading partner.
I want to just spend next 30 seconds also to talk about the imbalance in trade between India and China. Look at the volume of exports versus the volume of imports, a stark difference of at least 50%, more than 50%, come to think of it.
Yeah, so the point is, does China need anything which is specifically made in India? And the answer to that is, barring spices, for which again China happens to be the largest export hub for India, there's precious little that India makes which China does not make. So China has no reason really to import from India. But talk about the reverse flipping of that, what China makes and India needs, that laundry list gets longer and longer by the day.
All right, so India and China, they're emerging as strong partners when it comes to two-way commerce, and we